At the beginning of an annual evaluation cycle, it is a very good practice for you and your supervisor to meet in order to set your goals for the upcoming year. You will be evaluated on these same goals at the end of the evaluation cycle. In addition to these goals, you will also be evaluated on preset competencies. The self-evaluation portion of a performance evaluation provides you with an opportunity to share your perspective with your supervisor of how well you met the criteria that was predefined for each competency and goal. You will be able to rate your performance on every individual criteria for each section. Each section will also have an overall section summary rating where you can enter your overall performance rating for the specific section and a comments box. Note that not all agencies use the self-evaluation process, and some agencies may not use all sections listed in the evaluation process. After the manager rater enters the performance criteria into an evaluation document, you will receive an email notification stating that you are able to view your finalized criteria and that you can now complete the self-evaluation portion of the performance evaluation process. Navigate to your performance evaluation via My Ohio, My Workspace, Self-Service Quick Access, My Performance Documents, Current Documents. Click the document type hyperlink for the appropriate document type. Click the Start hyperlink next to the Complete Self-Evaluation step. Click the Expand All hyperlink to expand all sections. Assign ratings to the statewide competency by clicking the appropriate radio button and type related comments into the comments field. The state of Ohio defines competencies as measurable patterns of knowledge, skills, and abilities and other characteristics designed to reflect the behaviors in how employees complete their assignments. Some competencies, like customer focus, apply to every job in the state. Others, like repairing and maintaining electronic equipment, only apply to specific jobs. If you would like to see the definition of each rating, click the Rating Description icon. Either assign the rating by clicking the appropriate radio button on this page, and then clicking the Select Proficiency button, or click the Return to Previous Page hyperlink to rate the competency there. Assign ratings to each agency competency by clicking the appropriate radio button, and type related comments into the appropriate comments field. If an agency chooses to rate all of its employees on specific competencies in addition to the statewide competency, those competencies will appear in this section. This section is optional, so there may be no competencies available to rate. Assign ratings to each individual classification competency by clicking the appropriate radio button. Type related comments into the appropriate comments field. Classification competencies apply to all employees within a classification regardless of in which agency they work. Next, assign a rating to the competency summary section by clicking the appropriate radio button. Type related comments into the comments field. The competency summary section summarizes all individual ratings recorded in Section 2, statewide competencies, 3, agency competencies, and 4, classification competencies. Next, assign ratings to each individual goal or performance expectation by clicking the appropriate radio button. Type related comments into the appropriate comments field. Goals are the improvements you should make to your work activities or the products you create that could help you make a better or larger contribution toward achieving your agency's purpose. Improvement goals can be different for different employees. Performance expectations are the expectations for work product quantity, quality, timeliness, and results that apply to regular and routine job duties. Performance expectations are the same for every employee performing the same job. Goals and performance expectations may be set by your supervisor, agency management, or statewide management. Finally, assign a rating to the Goals and Performance Expectations summary by clicking the appropriate radio button. Type related comments into the comments field. Note that Section 7 summarizes all individual ratings recorded in Section 6, Goals and Performance Expectations. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. You will then receive confirmation that the changes have been saved. If you wish to print the document, click the Print icon. It will open a PDF version of the Performance Self-Evaluation document that you can either print or save to your computer. Click the Complete button. A new screen will appear with a prompt to click a second Complete button because you will not be able to edit the document after you complete it. This second Complete screen is your chance to return to the document if you are not actually finished with it. If you wish to return to the document, click the Cancel button instead of the Complete button. Click the OK button. The document details page will automatically display. The status for the complete self-evaluation step will change to completed. You will also receive a confirmation that the evaluation has been completed.